I got these while I was in Vegas on Fremont. This adorable man was making them, and he was just... And they actually looked way better than this. They got fucked up in my bag, so... Yeah. But I think I'm gonna take these out. It's like working, but it's just... It's just burning too much. Thank you. Oops. At least I can blow boogers now. That's nice. Holy shite. That was a lot. I tried putting it back in again, but I think we're gonna just actually call it quits this time.